Hello children, today I am going to introduce you blood groups. Human blood groups are also called by the name ABO blood group. Karl Landsteiner in 1900 discovered that human beings have glycoproteins on the surface of RBCs called antigens, and in their plasma another kind of proteins, they are called gamma globulin and also called by the name immunoglobulin. In the blood plasma they are called by the name antibodies. These antibodies are Y-shaped structures. Antigens are present on the surface of that RBC. So there are two types of antigen, antigen A and antigen B. Antibodies also called by the name antibody A and antibody B. Here you can see that in blood group A, on the surface of that RBC, antigen A present, and in their plasma antibody B present. In blood group B, on the surface of RBC, B antigen present, and in their plasma antibody A present. And in blood group AB, on the surface of RBC, antigen A and antigen B present, and in their plasma no antibodies present. In blood group O, on the surface no antigens present, and in their plasma antibody A and antibody B present. See that blood group A, B, AB and O. In antibodies in plasma are antibody B in blood group A, antibody A in blood group B, no antibodies present in blood group AB, and in blood group O, antibody A and antibody B present. And let us see that antigens present in their red blood cell. Blood group A, antigen A present, blood group B, antigen B present, blood group AB, antigen A and antigen B present, and blood group O, no antigens present. Blood types compatible in an emergency in the case of blood group A and O, blood group B and O, blood group AB, A, B, AB and O, and blood group AB positive is called universal recipient, and that blood group O are the also known as the universal donor. So then, according to the presence of Rh factor, blood group can again divided into O negative, O positive, A negative, A positive, B negative and B positive, AB negative and AB positive. Positive means that here Rh factor present. Negative means that no Rh factor. O negative can give blood to all, and they can receive blood from O negative only. O positive can give blood to AB positive, A positive, B positive and O positive. They can receive blood from O negative and O positive. A negative can give blood to AB negative, AB positive, A positive and A negative. They can receive blood from O negative and A negative. A positive can give blood to AB positive and A positive. They can receive blood from O negative, O positive, A negative and A positive. B negative can give blood to B negative, B positive, AB negative and AB positive. They can receive blood from O negative and B negative. B positive can give blood to B positive and AB positive. They can receive blood from O negative and O positive, B negative and B positive. AB negative can give blood to AB negative and AB positive. They can receive blood from O negative, A negative, B negative and AB negative. AB positive can give blood to AB positive only. They can receive blood from all groups. Now let us see that what is an antigen. In the case of blood, here on that surface of RBC, antigens are present. They are correspond to their blood group and antibodies in the rhizome that usually causes clumping. So what is an antibody? Antibody means that they are Y-shaped proteins that is important for the immune system of our body. So it means for our body's proper functioning of immune systems are very important. And the blood group contain antigens. They are either sugar or proteins. They are attached to various components in the blood cell membrane. That means that is attached to the red blood corpuscles. The antigens of AB blood group are sugars or proteins. They are produced by a series of reactions in which enzymes catalyze and transport to the sugar level, and also for that maintain that pH level. The presence of antigens and antibodies are very necessary. Thank you for watching this video.